Are you feeling lonely this holiday season?
Feeling unlucky in love?
Looking for someone to share a mistletoe with?
Or perhaps a glass of Chardonnay?
We've got the solution for you.
4 Hot Chicks Telephoning Service.
Oh yeah.
Meet our chicks.
Passion.
Eternity.
Starfruit.
Victoria.
Talk to our chicks for hours.
Even on Christmas Eve.
Our 4 calling birds will blow your mind.
Just give us a call at
1-800-4CHICKS. And don't forget,
Holiday specials and gift cards are available.
for those special people in your life.
happy holidays from the 4 calling birds.